So, in today's episode, we are going to talk about ways you can use the internet to learn more about the traditions of your friends. So, you're going to start in the web browser. You're going to click here in the search bar and you're going to search Epic Books. It's the first one that comes up, getepic.com. GetEpic is a digital library for students. So we're going to use this to read some books to learn more about our friends. So here you're going to get an adult and you're going to have them help you log in. They're going to log in. Once they logged in, they're going to click on their profile. Here in the search bar, this is where you're going to search for the books or the different traditions or cultures of your friends. So today actually is Dia de Muertos, Day of the Dead. So let's learn more about that. We're going to search here, Day of Dead. So we're going to search Dia de Muertos here. So the first one that comes up is Day of the Dead. So this is a Mexican holiday that honors loved ones who have passed away. You can flip here through the books, and where we learn about the altar and the skulls. We can find more books, and here you can actually click Read to Me, and it'll pull up books that will read to you if you're unable to read the book on your own. You can even go to the home page. See if there are any common searches. There are even videos here, this database. And you have all that here. And this is a way you can use reading to learn more about your friends.